My name is Abdul Rafi. Today I'm going to play Feather Family. Now let's get into the video. Oh, there are lots of people at the spawn. I will go eat the banana. Yeah, I will go eat the banana. Yeah, that was the you are getting eaten. Yeah, now that's what I'm talking about. Eat the crab. I will just fly and but how will I go? Hey, I'm going. Yeah, I got the banana. I got another banana. Now you are the next one. Hey, why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Come. Yeah, now that's what I'm talking about. Eat it, eat it. I will go in here. Open and I cannot go. Oh, yeah. You wanted to go there, but you are in there. Oh, what's this? I will try to eat it if it's eatable. Oh, yeah, it's well. That's hard. What? I will go swim in the water. That's not even possible. Birds cannot swim in the water except ducks and ducks. Oh, a pineapple. I will go. I, I will go there and eat the pineapple, guys. Look, I have the pineapple now. Hey, why I am going up? Oh, no. No. No, why I am going up? Why I am going up? I want to go down. Can I eat it? No, I cannot. Yes. No, I'm the birds. I'm the eagle. I will go and just go to the first spawn point. This is the second one. The first one is somewhere. I don't know where is the first one. I will teleport. I know what happened. Forest. The first one should be around here somewhere. Where? Yeah, there is the one. I will just do this. And where is the apple? I'm will eat it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Where is the first spawn point? But I do not even understand what's happening. That was an optical illusion. This is the first spawn point. People should spawn here. It's changed. Hey, this is so illusion. I got this one. I call this one. Yeah. I will do a emote if I can. Look dumb because birds cannot do emotes. Wait, I have to get out of here. I wish my brother just joined me. He's just going and playing his own games, guys. Look, I will make a nest here. My head. I will go on a high place. I want my home on a high place. Yes. Yeah. Now here, I will make my home. Nest. Which nest should I make? This one will be good. Hey, now I'm not a girl. Uh, I'm flying in the sky. I believe I could fly. Yes, I got saved. I will go here and eat some apples.